Hello guys, this is Malhar Jetli here from APAC and today we have the Dell Latitude E3440 laptop, which is basically a used laptop from the commercial series of Dell. Latitudes have always been on the top when it comes to office work and certain stuff related to corporates. Let us not waste some more time and go on to the first part, that is the build quality. The laptop sports a decent build quality. The keyboard quality also right over here feels pretty decent enough to me, and also the touchpad is very smooth. The left and right capacitive clicks are great as well. Over here the hinges also don't wobble that much. The hinges are quite stable. The laptop weighs around 2 kgs and the laptop is pretty decent enough to carry. Plus another advantage over the 5430 or the 5440 is the weight and the thickness. On this side you can see how the laptop has been designed. Over here also you can see the different sections. You can have a look at the battery, you can have a look at the normal ventilation, and you can have a look at the RAM and the HDD slot. Coming on this side we have a USB port and an optical DVD writer. Coming on this side we have the lock slot, we have the charging port, the ventilation, a VGA port, a LAN port, 2 USB ports and a microphone headphone combine jack. So again you can have a look at the thickness of the laptop and the dimensions as above. Coming to the configuration of the Dell Latitude E3440, the laptop is powered by an Intel Core i3 4010U CPU, which is base clocked at 1.7 GHz, 8GB DDR3 RAM, a 500GB SATA hard drive which can be replaced by a 2.5-inch SATA solid state drive, Intel HD graphics, a 14.1-inch display. So basically the configuration is adequate for MS Office works or other corporate projects. Coming on to the display quality of the laptop, you can have a look at how the display looks. The display could have been better, but again the display doesn't give off glares or even reflections. So while working in any environment where there are lots of lights, the display won't give you a problem. But the color saturation could be better. So coming on the software aspects of the laptop, I was amazed to see that this laptop performs pretty decently, pretty adequately, even though it's a normal hard drive and an i3 4th generation when compared to standards of i3 10th generation in 2020. So if you replace the laptop by a 500GB SSD, obviously you are going to get a very good performance. Let me just show you all the camera quality. So many people have asked me to show the webcam quality of the laptop. Obviously you are not going to get a full HD webcam right over here, but then again the clarity is good enough. You can have a look. Took some time to load. So here it is. Also going on the battery backup, the laptop's battery backup is around 1.5 to 2 hours. So considering a used laptop under a budget, I think the battery backup is sufficient. But for people who want to do heavy work or heavy coding, the battery backup might be a disturbance. Navigating to the Intel HD graphics control panel, I don't consider Intel HD graphics as even graphics because they are more of formality. But then again, you'll need to install the Intel HD graphic drivers for even basic video work or just basic usage. Typing on the laptop is a very good experience, and obviously you can keep your hands on this edge right here and type. I'm not randomly typing, I'm literally typing a sensible statement. So typing is a very good experience on this laptop. Diving deeper onto the keyboard quality, the keyboard might look used as it's a used laptop, but then again the keyboard quality is pretty amazing. The keys are pretty flat, they are quite pressed, and also the touch response is good. Coming on this side right over here we have speakers. This laptop has bottom speakers. A 1 con on the laptop. On this side again we have 2 RAM slots right over here, and we have the RAM slots. We also have the hard drive case which can again be replaced by a solid state drive. So you can have a look right over here. Also the accessibility is pretty good enough. You can put the screw like this and you can easily close the lid right over here. So the first thing, this laptop sports a good body build. It's good enough in weight. The second part about this laptop is its configuration. The configuration is decent enough for MS Office works, other corporate projects, and all your PowerPoints can be easily done on this laptop. Third and the final most part of this laptop is its overall integration and performance. So the third part tells us that this laptop is great in spite of it being an i3 4th generation laptop, and you can use it for your office work very decently enough. So guys, when you all deal with us, remember one thing, that we don't offer cash on delivery. We only offer full advance payment via bank transfers, NEFT, IMPS, or even people living in Bombay locally can come to us and purchase the laptop in mode of bank transfers or cash. Another part, guys, which I would like to tell you all about is that people who don't live in Bombay, we show them the serial number of the laptop on a dedicated video call, just meant for you to see your product. So that if you don't receive the product with the serial number which you had been shown in the video call, then you all have all the rights to return the laptop. So guys, if you all wish to purchase any laptop, then please do see the link below in the description for the stock list. There's a Google Drive link just below, so you all can see the stock list and you all can decide whether what you want to purchase or not. And contact the numbers given below. There are sales numbers +91 8850 247 354, and you all can call on +91 93245 94323. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you all liked the video. Share this video and subscribe to APAC for more.